Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss if it is safe to ingest essential oils. I'm Mandy Sommers, and for the best essential oil education, click that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. For this particular video, I'm actually going to take the expertise of an ear, nose, and throat surgeon named Dr. Joshua Jorgensen and share with you an article that he wrote regarding the safety of ingesting essential oils. He says, each type of oil contains a mixture of natural chemical compounds unique to that species of plant and to the environment in which the plant is grown. For thousands of years, humans have ingested plants in the form of food, as well as plants, parts, and extracts as herbal health products and teas from leaves and flowers, which contain essential oils. One could argue that it should also be safe to ingest essential oils in small quantities, just as we've been doing when ingesting plants containing essential oils. Because they are produced naturally by plants, essential oils are found in naturally balanced mixtures. Then why is there an ongoing concern about the internal use of essential oils? Internal use can not only be effective, but it is also safe. Oils first have an effect on local tissues. The local effect may be felt more strongly when applied internally compared to when applied to the skin because the nerves in the mucosa are closer to the surface, often more numerous, and can be more easily stimulated compared to the nerves in the skin. Although the skin is thicker and seems to be less fragile than the mucosa membranes, the reality is that similar to the skin, the mucosa has many features that are protective and therefore conducive to the use of essential oils. Like skin, the mucosa has many layers designed to protect the body against disease and toxic exposures. And similar to skin, the mucosa has an ability to constantly restore itself and regenerate after harmful exposures, such as trauma from teeth or heat from foods that can cause ulcerations. The mucosa heals an open sore very quickly, so it can resume its protective function. The mucosa also has thousands of mucus glands that secrete mucus to create a protective film over tissues. The mucus is continually being produced and continually migrating as the cilia beat, limiting any local exposure. When essential oils contact the mucosa, they are absorbed to some degree at the initial point of contact, but much of the oil will be continually diluted by the mucus. Rapid absorption and constant dilution allows the oils to have a dramatic yet temporary effect, which explains why any sensation you have in the mouth or the throat from essential oils taken internally is temporary. Because the mucosa is designed to be protective, essential oils can be safely used internally. The premise of all these discussions is that essential oils could be harmful when taken internally. However, studies suggest just the opposite. Essential oils may actually be protective to the mucosa. Many studies show that essential oils can have a positive effect when there is a problem with the stomach's mucous membranes. For example, limonene found in citrus oils was shown to help protect the stomach mucosa in a preclinical study. This protective effect was shown without affecting normal stomach acid secretions, gastrin enzyme secretions, or antioxidant glutathione production. Many other studies have also demonstrated similar effects. Avoiding hot oils that may be irritating to the mucous membranes, using small single-use amounts, or using less than the maximum daily amounts recommended are all safe practices that can help us have confidence when we ingest essential oils. If we are using the oils for local effect, such as to soothe the mouth and throat, then the oils can be appropriately diluted. Internal use of essential oils may be the best method to help improve function of the gut and improve digestion, because the oils can get to the area of need. Taking essential oils internally may be very effective. Taking essential oils internally may be very effective to get the oils to be absorbed into the body to promote health and wellness for an overall soothing effect on the body and for a very calming effect on mood. Using the appropriate amounts of oils in veggie capsules or prepackaged in the appropriate amounts in soft gels can be an effective way to take essential oils internally, that they can be maximally absorbed by the gut for a whole body effect. That's the end of that article. Today, many essential oils are found on the U.S. Food and Drug Administration's generally recognized as safe list. That's GRAS, which affirms the safe use of essential oils as flavoring agents and preservatives. Every substance found on this list has a well-documented history of internal safety. Although essential oils have health applications that extend far beyond flavoring, this list sets a safety framework that can be applied to the internal use of essential oils. Like anything else that you use for promoting health and wellness, essential oils can be used safely when the proper dosage guidelines are observed. Because essential oils are so potent and powerful, only a small amount of oil will be necessary to achieve the desired effect. It is important to be aware of daily dosage recommendations to ensure that you are protecting your body from being overwhelmed with improper amounts of oil. Included in the link below is a breakdown of the daily dosage recommendations for essential oils. And as you can see, because aromatic application is simple, the act of breathing in essential oils, there are no limits to the amount of oil drops you can use. On the rest of the chart, internal application refers to swallowing and ingesting essential oils. Oral application refers to placing essential oils in the mouth for cleansing and freshening, and the dermal application refers to the topical use on the skin. Some essential oils are not recommended for internal use, such as arbor vitae, birch, cedarwood, cypress, eucalyptus, white fir, and wintergreen. They are best used aromatically or topically. Thank you so much for watching. If you have a favorite essential oil you like to use internally, I would love to hear about it in the comments below. Grab your free internal usage guide in the description below. Please give this video a thumbs up if this was helpful. And as always, remember, you are amazing. Have a great day.